School fees, health and term insurance payments, tax payments, subscriptions, these are all significant expenses for us. They can be frustrating and they often interrupt our investment plans because they catch us by surprise and cause a significantly higher cash outflow in that particular month. But what if I told you there is a simple, effective way to handle this? I call this rewards from expenses and planning, REAP, the sibling of SIP in a way. Set up a recurring deposit RD for each of these expenses, no matter how small or near in the future they may be. What's the benefit of doing this? You will know exactly how much you can invest each month. You will also know what is your actual monthly expense, and your investment journey will be smoother and won't get disrupted during these months when the payments are due. In short, you're smoothing your budget for the year, and you set up the deposit in such a way your RD matures right when your expense is due. And the next tip is not for everybody, definitely not to someone who cannot control their expenses. This is almost like getting an extra 30 days to pay off your expenses. Remember, expenses delayed is savings made. If you're good with handling credit cards, pay these expenses using your card. You earn points by spending from the credit cards, but you pay off the due the next month, right when your deposits mature. All your recurring known expenses can be handled this way. You earn points from these and get yourself a nice vacation or a phone from these points. Remember the inherent risk in using credit card for expenses. Do this only if you have full control over the expenses. And as with investing, discipline is the key. And the key is to sit and plan for this every year, 1 year ahead. I generally do that in April, the start of the financial year. Let us call this rewards from expenses and planning. Thank you for watching the video. Be wise, money wise.